At just 71.5 decibels, the quiet trim compressor from DEWALT is 50% quieter than the quarter cable pancake style compressor. Measurements on site can be communicated without shouting. It's that quiet. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes transportation effortless. Save space by operating and storing horizontally or vertically. With a compact 2.5-gallon tank, the quiet trim compressor produces 3 SCFM and 200 max PSI. And it packs enough air to run up to 3 finish nailers at once. The DEWALT Quiet Trim Compressor. Guaranteed tough.